What's up everybody, I'm Seth Fowler, and today I've got a very interesting video because it's not like most of the other videos on my channel. Inside this box is something that I've never owned, I've never even really tried. I tried at a mall for like 5 minutes, but it's something that I've always wanted to have and I just hadn't had the opportunity to grab it. And now, today, we're unboxing it, we're trying it, and this is mine now, so I'm really excited about that. So without further ado, let's pop this guy open and see what we've got. Oh, that's crazy. Yo, that is so crazy. It's been upside down the whole time, hasn't it? Nice. So as the box says, this is the Oculus Quest. This is Oculus's all-in-one VR headset. You don't need to drop a phone into the front of the headset like some of the other VR headsets on the market, and you can pretty much take this anywhere. Let me cut off this plastic really quick. I need to find out where a good place to actually cut is. I don't know if there is one. There we go. Got it. I just needed that one little place to pull. That's all I needed. So apparently this is the 64 gigabyte version. Inside the box you've got a VR headset, 2 touch controllers, some batteries, a power adapter, an eyeglass spacer, and a charging cable. So everything that you need. And on the back of the box it says, all-in-one VR. Oculus Quest has everything you need to explore VR right out of the box. No PCs, no wires, no limits. It also apparently is really easy to set up. It says, play at home or someplace new. Oculus Quest works with your environment, standing, sitting, or in spaces big or small. Let me slide this cover off. Oh, wow. Look at that. Okay, so let's pull out the headset first. Whoa. That's crazy. It says, before you start, install the Oculus app. So while I'm unboxing this, let me actually install the Oculus app. So these 2 touch controllers transport your hands and your gestures into the game. Like you can slash, you can punch, you can, do whatever with these controllers. It's pretty crazy. Okay, and then the last thing we've got is the Oculus Quest accessory kit, I guess is what you'd call it. You've got a wall wart and some charging cables. Oh, and it looks like batteries as well. I'm just hyped to try this out. I'm really excited. Let's do this. Okay, so I've moved everything out of the way. I've got the headset set up. I've got the 2 touch controllers set up. Let's do this. I'm hyped. So let me throw this on really quick. Here we go. Okay. I feel like I'm in the Matrix now. The cool thing about this Oculus is that it actually has 4 cameras right there on the front, so you can see what you're doing while you're defining the play space. So I'm gonna grab a block now.
Release the grip button to drop it.
Oh, that's sick. You're gonna throw it? Oh, look at this! Ping pong. Okay. Well, I don't have anyone to play with. I guess I'll just try and bounce it. Oh, that's sick. Oh, there it goes. Well.
Looks like you're getting the hang of it. Here's a few more to try.
Oh! Look at this! Well, pull tab and release. Oh, that's crazy. Oh, that's crazy. Oh, can I shoot a rocket at it? No.
When you're ready to explore some new VR worlds, insert a cartridge into the console.
I missed it. Why do you keep going up? I don't have any rockets left. What the hell? Hey, come back. Okay, you know what? I've got an idea. Let me get this guy launching. Ah, yeah! Ooh. Vader Immortal. Here we go. Oh, what? That's crazy. Oh, look at that. Okay. Oh, no way. That's wild. Oh, I got you. One-handed. Shoot at me, buddy. This is sick. Let's go. Let's go. What's this dude shooting at me for? I'm dying now. Bring it. Bring it. Whoa.
We better move it, Captain. The Hutts want their spice back. We gotta jump to hyperspace or we're dead.
You're nuts.
Come on,
This is crazy. Okay. Is that the right one? Okay. Is that the right one? No? Okay. Click all.
All right, hyperdrive controls are active. Make the jump.
Oh, this is wild. This is so crazy. Let's go! Can I mess with any of the other buttons? Will that be a problem for you, or are we good?
Repulsor lift upgrades you've been promising me forever. You know, and forever. And ever. You know,
Is that a dirty joke?
In hyperspace for a while,
I don't like that.
So feel free to go back and check our loot. You name it. Sky's the limit.
It's you again. Do you not have legs? I just gotta say that this is wild. I don't even know if I'm facing the right direction. I don't know where the camera is, but I gotta tell you, this feels like I'm there. This is kind of nuts.
But shut him down until we can get him repaired.
Whoa!
If compliance will result in your destruction.
This is your
My
fault.
bad, Admiral. Sorry about that.
It's all her.
Whoa! Whoa, that looks like...
I'll take him on.
That looks like...
This is crazy.
Empire even doing with the backline planet?
I feel like I'm actually in a spaceship.
This is Admiral Carius. Present your ship for inspection.
Your fault.
You know, I'm getting the feeling they're onto us.
Fault. Look who it is. You are taller than I expected.
You may wonder why I have brought you here.
It's like a mental challenge, like a puzzle.
Open this configuration, and I will spare your life.
Did you not do it yourself? Okay, bro. There we go. Suck it. Pressing the buttons. Let's see what each one of these do. Beep, boop. Boop, beep, boop, boop. Look at that. Check that out. You suck. You suck.
You.
That's a nice glove.
Conquer death itself. Countless lives are in danger. Including your
Relax. Chill. Too close. I don't know you. Oh, in there. Okay. Eh, nice guy.
That sounds promising.
I press the green button or the red button. There you go. If this dude attacks me, it's on you.
Did it, Captain?
I gotta admit, that was ridiculously fun. I don't understand how that all worked, but it was awesome. Okay, so the Oculus Quest is awesome. I loved it. This allows you to play games, no PC, no wires, no limits. Everything you need comes in the box. And I was literally playing games straight out of the box. I didn't have to set it up, but I just used an app on my phone, set it up really quick, and I was good to go. It's kind of crazy. It's like you're entering a whole nother world and it really feels like you're there. But the best part about this is that it's only $3.99, so you can grab one of these for yourself for the same price as a pair of kicks. Of course, there's a link in the description below if you want to grab one of these for yourself. I highly recommend it. That was a completely nuts experience, and that Star Wars game is obviously not the only game that you have access to. There's a whole store with a ton of different games like Beat Saber. A lot of people love that game. I tried the demo and I sucked at it, but it was still fun. I think my favorite part of the whole experience were the touch controllers. They were able to track your fingers. It felt like you were actually holding a lightsaber. It was crazy. It was a really insane experience. Of course, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and I'll see you all in the next one.